In the politics, there are no permanent friends or the permanent enemies. There are just the permanent interest. Good afternoon, one and all. Today I am here. We'll be talking about the CAA TSA and COMCAA and LEMOA. So these are pronounced as the CAATSA and COMCASA and LEMOA. CAATSA stand for the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act. This act was brought by USA to counter the aggression by basically the three countries, Russia, Iran and North Korea. The major objective of this act was that to discourage the sales of Russian equipments in the global market. But here comes the problem for India. India has been the trustable ally of Russia since the long time, and India purchased a lot of defense equipments from Russia. Recently, we also purchased the S-400 missile defense system from Russia, and according to the CAATSA Act, America should be imposing the economic sanctions on India. But America wants to give a waiver to India under this act at the cost of, if India purchase heavy equipment from America, and America basically wants India to make their permanent strategic partner in that military cooperation. America basically wants India to sign the three agreements, which is the very foundational agreement by USA, and this like to sign the agreement with the countries which they think is the strategic partner in the terms of military cooperation. So these three agreements are the COMCASA, Communications Compatibility Agreement of Security, and second one is LEMOA, Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Understanding, and third is the BECA, Basic Exchange for Cooperation. So friends, in this today I will be talking about the COMCASA and LEMOA. So COMCASA, it is the communication system which USA will provide us to run the equipments which we have bought from USA. Friends, we all know that India purchasing a lot of military equipment from USA nowadays, and so enhance the security and surveillance of the communication system. USA wants to provide India their own communication system. That is called the COMCASA agreement. And under the LEMOA agreement, which was signed in 2016, the LEMOA stands for the Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Understanding. So according to this agreement, the both countries will be able to use the access and the facilities provided by the military department. For example, India or America, they can use the ports or the airports or the military bases for getting any kind of assistance, refueling and replenishment. Friends, let me tell you that this deal is not about the making the military bases in the respective countries. So, and the BECA, third one is the Basic Exchange for Cooperation. It will be the USA and India, they will cooperate in terms of satellite. We all know that USA have largest number of satellites, and they can send the good input to our defense as well as the disaster management team, and so that we can fight our enemy as well as the natural disasters very frequently. So I think overall these agreements are very good and very helpful for India if USA plays the same type of role for upcoming 40 to 50 years, because by signing this agreement, India will be heavily dependent on the communication system provided by USA. And we all know that India being a sovereign country, it will hamper our sovereignty. How? According to the agreement, any American officer, they can come to inspect anytime to the Indian military bases to check the functioning of the Comcasa equipment. So this is the first major concern. And second major concern is that India have a lot of equipment which is purchased not from USA. For example, we purchased the S-400 missile defense system from Russia, and various equipment we purchased from France, Israel, and many equipments are indigenously built. So the concern is that whether these Comcasa equipment will be compatible to the indigenous equipment or the Russian or the Israeli or the French made product. So this is the second major concern. And the third major concern is that when India need the help of USA, and if USA betray, then this will be very disaster for our country. So I think that our government should take the notice of this agreement again, and the agreement should be signed in the way that if India feels that it will be the security threat for Indian defense, then we should withdraw the deal at any point of time. And next and way forward, I would like to say our government and the scientists that they should build up the indigenous communication system by learning from the Comcasa by USA, and we should have our own very good strict indigenous built communication system by the end of 2025 or 2030. So thank you friends, have a nice day.